Hey guys, welcome back to another JT Arts Tutorials video. Make sure you check out my Patreon, it's on my page. You have two different options, first time artists and old master painter. One's $3, one's $6. The $6 one will get you get you a lot more content. It will also give you charity options. So all the money will go to Seattle Children's. They do a lot of work with art, so I would appreciate if you guys do that. That'd be really good. It helps out the channel. I take a portion, you guys take a little. You take a little bit. You're getting and the knowledge you're getting is priceless. So keep that in mind. Okay. So today we're going to be working on, we did a Western scenery here. Let's do a bird. We haven't done a bird in a while, or ever, I think. So let's do a big one. Let's start with the head. And this is just make it like a half circle here. Point that out. Not sure what bird we make. Maybe we'll make a duck. That sounds kind of cool. Maybe it's a crow. We'll see how that goes. Let's do a crow. That sounds kind of cool. Crow is kind of one of my favorite things to draw, paint, whatever you want to call it. Actually, quite a fit, because I've studied so many crows, I kind of know already the shape and stuff, so. Streaks here. Have this maybe on a branch would be good. So let's go up like this. Okay. Go into that. It'll come out the other side here. Go. Come out the other side again. There we go. So there's our branch there. Maybe it's a crow sitting on a branch. Little stick here. Okay. Make sure that guy's gripping that. We want to give him feet. If he can't grip it, then he's not gonna be on there very long. So you got to think about these things when you're doing this, because if you want to draw good, I would recommend always thinking about how you're gonna do this. So okay, there we go. Create some kind of side here. Go. Go. So there's a crow. Make a little bit around the eyes here. Work on the beak here a bit. We'll fill that in here. We'll just fill in maybe just a little bit. We're not going to go too crazy on it, but we'll fill in a little bit. Okay, so see that right there. Let me get a little bit right here around his eye here. There's an easy bird you can do. Just a simple, easy bird, nothing too fancy. So make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my Patreon on my page, and I'll see you in the next one. This was a lot of fun, you guys.